Greetings to subscribers and guests of my channel. Elena is with you again. A rug made of strips of fabric by hand. Now we will make one with you. Very easy and simple. Anyone can handle it. It's hard to cope alone, so my husband helped me. A masterclass on creating an exclusive rug. Now I'm writing the text for the video and keeping my feet on the mat. Very warm and beautiful. And I think it will be good to wash and dry quickly. First, I cut strips 8 to 10 centimeters wide, and the lengths are of different sizes. All the strips will be different. Then I cut strips of insulin with a width of 15 to 18 centimeters and a length slightly shorter than the length of the strips of fabric. I twist the insulin into tubes and fix it. Then I wrap each one with a strip of fabric and wrap them with threads or yarn. Then we connect all the strips together manually. The edges of the mat are specially uneven. It turned out to be an amazing rug without a single stitch on the sewing machine. The size of the mat is 8,843 centimeters, beautiful and warm. We rejoice together in the result of our creativity. I am waiting for your comments, likes, and if you liked my rug and my work, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Dear needlewomen, I wish you all creative success and a pleasant viewing of my work.